Bago pa man magsulputan ang iba't ibang mga restaurants at gimikan sa lugar na ito, ay naging pugad ito ng mga puno ng sampalok more than 60 years ago. At iyan naman ang kwentong kanto ng Tomas Morato. Tomas Morato Avenue was known before as Sampaloc Avenue. Ang kauna-unahang sampalok tree na itinanim dito ay sinimulan ng dating Pangulong Quezon kasama si Don Alejandro Roces Sr. noong 1939. Ang Sampaloc Avenue at ang surrounding area nito ay bahagi ng master plan ni Harry Frost, ang architectural advisor to the Commonwealth Government. The vision was to transfer the nation's capital by building on a 400-hectare area in a quadrangle, kung saan itatayo ang ilan sa mga government offices. Sampaloc Avenue was to be the main road in the south section of the quadrangle. Ang area ng Barrio Obrero ay itinalaga para sa itatayong mga bahay para sa mga empleyado. President Quezon appointed Don Tomas Morato to be the first mayor of Quezon City. Don Tomas Bernabo Morato was born of Spanish parents in the seaport of Alicante on the Mediterranean coast of Spain on July 4, 1887. Matapos makamit ang kalayaan mula sa Espanya, naging Filipino citizen si Morato by virtue of a proviso in the Treaty of Paris which granted Filipino citizenship for all Spaniards who had decided to stay in this country. He and Quezon became good friends in school. Si Tomas ay nagtapos ng engineering course at nag-business ng lumber kung saan siya'y naging matagumpay. In 1965, Congress passed a law changing the name from Sampaloc Avenue to Tomas Morato Avenue. Ito ay bilang pagpunyagi sa kauna-unahang mayor ng Quezon City, the mayor who had his city officials transfer their residences to the street where he himself lived. Tunay ngang nagbabago ang bawat kwento ng isang lugar, pero ang kasaysayan nito ay mananatiling bahagi ng nakalipas na kahapon na siya namang kwentong kanto ng darating na bukas. Ako po si Kuya F at samahan ninyo kong muli sa mga susunod na kwentong kanto.